Welcome YouTube and Facebook. Sorry, it's having a little bit of trouble getting my life together here. What the hell is going on? Give me the buzzer. Give me the buzzer early. Anyway, what's going on, you guys? I am glad to be back here with you, and welcome back. If you've been here before, if this is your first time, welcome to the best trading show on YouTube. I am your host, Trading Coach P, and we got a pretty good show for you tonight. We're gonna be looking at GBP and the Euro as usual. I'm gonna give you my game plan for GBP for tonight, and yeah, we got unemployment claims coming in in about an hour from now, more like about 50 minutes. It is currently 7:37 East Coast time. And yeah, let's get into the show. I wasn't here yesterday. Apologize, guys. I try to be here 5 days a week. But if you don't know, if this is your first time watching my show, I am currently fighting cancer. Boo, let's get some boos there, because that's some BS. But yeah, currently fighting colon cancer, and it's okay. So dealing with some health issues. So the show is scheduled 5 days a week, Monday through Friday at 7:30 a.m. New York time. That is for a New York trading session. But sporadically, I might have to cancel the show if I'm dealing with whatever issues I'm dealing with. So yeah, that's how it'll be. And if I have to do that, I apologize. But what I have done is I've created a Discord channel here. All right, Coach P's Trader Talk. So if there for any reason I cannot attend the show live, guys, I want you to join the Discord, and the link is in the description of the video on Facebook and on YouTube. So if you guys go join the Discord, if for any reason I cannot be on live, I can still give you a trading plan for today, or some key levels that I am looking at. So do me a favor. If you are watching the video, if you are in here on the live right now, I need you to like the video and subscribe to the page. Push the goddamn button. Push the button. All right. And if you're watching on the replay, I need you to do the same thing, and also go join the Discord so we can keep contact. And you can ask questions in there that I can cover on live. And share any news or anything in entertainment that you want me to cover on the live. Just post it in there. We can all keep in contact and share ideas and whatnot. But with that being said, let's get to the charts, man, because that's what you came for. So if you're looking at my phone, my virtual phone, right above me up here, you can see I have three trades placed. All right, so that is already my game plan for tonight. So what I am doing, my first trade I am going to attempt is going to come, pause, my first trade attempt is going to be at this order block. right here. And the order block level is, the range is 126.55 to 126.39. All right. So my first trade here, as you can see, let's expand it here so you can see. Let's actually go to a bigger camera so you can see it. All right, so you might not be able to see it if you're on a mobile device, but if you're on a desktop, you can see right here my order is placed at 120. What is this? 126.52.6. So we just call it 126.53. Stop loss is 126.32.6 or something. Can give you the buzz it. All right. So that is going to be the first attempt here. And the reason I am taking a trade here, or an attempt trade here. So as you can see, starting from Tuesday's trading day, Tuesday at 11 p.m. The range from there to Wednesday's trading day, 3 a.m. Excuse me. Well, this is all Wednesday's trading. This is all yesterday. But the the chart at the bottom confused me. You can't see it. You can't see it. Anyway, I gotta get better with that. Give me the goddamn buzzer. Anyway, so if you look at this range, Wednesday's trading range yesterday, we hit this 4-hour order block, made an expansion to the upside, came back down, got a 50% retracement, almost to the 62. Didn't quite make it there. And then we broke to the high side. So I'm just gonna call that a swing, and I'm gonna say if we're gonna continue expanding, we have a high probability trade here at about 126.50. Once again, the stop loss is why did I put the stop loss there? I gotta check something out here. I just gotta make sure it's okay. Yeah, whatever. 20 pip stop loss. So it's about $1,000 risk. And all I want is about 40 pips on the upside. I don't even want to take it for the whole range. But because we are only about $2,200 away from passing phase 1 of our challenge, of our prop firm challenge. So let's give it some yeah. Yeah, you know. So we're getting close. We're getting close. We don't need to break the bank today. We don't even need to take a trade today. So that will be my first attempt at a trade. The second attempt, if this trade fails here and it doesn't expand like I wanted to, and it comes and clears the liquidity below 126.39 on GBP, my next trade is going to be the rebalance here at 126.30, and so that'll be that trade right here. if you can look it above me. And then the next trade, if it continues a little bit below that, that will be at this order block here at 126.24. And that is where our trade is set, 126.24. Stop loss for both is 125.99. 125.99. All right. So that is basically below this here. And so if all three of those trades get blown out, which is very possible, then we will reassess. We'll reassess and we'll say, okay, the dollar is going to be bullish for a little bit longer, which I think it actually is, because if we take a look at the DXY, let me get to a bigger screen here. Let's get to a bigger screen so you guys can actually see. You know what, I'm actually make a trading view only screen. You guys don't need to see me all the time. You guys don't want to see me all the time. You want to see this market stuff. But anyway, you know, I think we could be expanding a little bit. You know, at least for a little while, a couple more weeks, because I think we're attempting to rebalance here. Let's go to the monthly. Okay. I think we're trying to attempt to trade into this imbalance that was created between October's candle 2023 and December's candle 2023. So we're attempting to trade back up into that imbalance, and also the imbalance that was created between August 2023 and October 2023 to kind of rebalance that gap that it left there. So I don't think much more expansion on foreign currencies. I think we still got a little bit expansion left because the overall trend is bullish. So the momentum is always going to be, it's going to be stronger in the direction of the trend. So that's why I feel comfortable taking those trades today. And if they lose, it is what it is. That's my rule. I take 3 trades on the day. I really just want to take 1 and be done. But take up to 3 losing ones a day. And if they all lose, you know, I'm all risk managed. So if they lose, that's it. That's my day. You know, and we just live with it. All right, so let's go back to GB. All right. A lot of clutter on this screen. Shout out to everybody in the chat right now. I don't know which platforms that you're watching on. I don't know if you're watching on YouTube or if you're watching on Facebook, but shout out to you. All right. And guys, if you have any questions, feel free to post them in the chat and I will do my best to answer them. What won't it let me delete? All right, there we go. All right, so it's currently 7:50 East Coast time. Let me take a sip of my Frappuccino drink. All right. So looks like, you know, so far so good. It's going it's hitting that gap. Hit that gap, that fair value gap on the 1 hour. Let's actually fix this. For those of you that don't know what an imbalance is or fair value gap, I'll do videos on it, you know, but they're ICT concepts. So, you know, if you don't know who ICT is, you can look up ICT. He's all over YouTube. He's all over Twitter. There's a lot of information, you know, but I will, you know, I will post a few videos so that you can be caught up and so you can understand what's going on in these live streams. If you are an experienced trader, let me know. Let me know what charts that you're looking at. If you're watching on the replay, let me know. Let me know what charts you're looking at on the day. All right. Let's see what we got. All right, so GBP is currently sitting at 126.80. 126.80. And we want to see it come down to about 126.50 and then expand here. All right. That's what we're hoping for. But it can always come back down here and blow out our first trade. But we're going to hope that doesn't happen. All right. Take a look at the euro. And so we're at about a 50% retracement on the euro for the day. And, you know, I would expect, where did we trade into? We traded into the slight imbalance here. And I'm expecting it to trade, expecting the euro to trade up to 109. About 109.30. We're currently sitting at 108.77. So, you know, I don't know if we get that big of a move today. Also, unemployment claims today up. Let me get you with the disclaimer. Give me a second here. Guys, we will be trading live on this channel. I will be sharing trades with you, and you can feel free to take trades along with me, but you're doing so at your own risk, and it is advised that you risk manage. And if you don't know how to trade, if you've never traded before, you should not be anywhere near a live account. You should be following along on a demo account, or just following along in your trading view, your paper trading account, or whatever it is. Do not trade live funds if you do not know what you're doing. Okay. Number one rule. I think I gave you guys enough time to read this disclaimer. That is it, guys. Basically, if you decide to take trades along with me, you're doing so at your own risk. And don't complain to me that you lost all your money because you're over leveraged and you did this and that, because I will lose trades, guys. I'm transparent. I'm transparent with the trades. Okay. Look at this. Look at this. This is my trade history. You guys see reds in there? Those are losing trades. Now check this out. Check this out. I mean, you see a lot of blues lately, but look at this. Look at this. Look at this at the top. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 6 losing trades in a goddamn row. All right. So it's just a warning, because that happens. That happens to the best traders. That happens to your favorite trader, your guru traders. Yes, they lose trades like this in a row. And so when you're following along with somebody, especially if you feel like, you know, they know a little bit more than you, you get comfortable, especially when you see all of these blues. You're like, oh man, this guy never loses. This guy never loses. Bruh. No. All right. you start getting a little bit loose on your risk management. You're like, man, I'm gonna go full margin. This stuff is right. He's right a lot. Yeah, you go full margin and it's that one trade that blows your account. All right. You know, that's why the only way, you know, the only way to get this is continuous study, commitment and continuous study. Okay. You can sit in here all day and I can give you trades and, you know, signals, whatever. And it won't help you. You will still, if you don't have risk management, if you don't have self-control, you will still blow your account. You will still blow your account. All right. Excuse me. I hope you guys didn't hear that on camera. Swallowing. Pause. I need to mute the mic when I do that, man. Anyway, so DXY is up on the day, but not very much. GBP USD is down 1 pip. Euro USD is the weaker of the two and is down 5 pips right now. But what's interesting is USD CAD is also down. USD CAD is also down 8 pips, which you know, it's kind of weird. And USD JPY is down 28 pips, while the DXY is still showing green for the day. You know, that's weird. That's weird. All right, let's go back to GBP because that's what we're waiting for. We're about 30 minutes away from CME open. And what I'm hoping is going to happen is that news is going to consolidate in this area for, you know, until it doesn't. And I'm hoping news pushes price down into this order block. All right. And then everybody gets scared and they panic sell and they short. And then we go up for the rest of the day. All right. So that's my ideal scenario for news like this. You know? Now, if it was unemployment claims, you know, I don't think it'll break I don't think it'll be enough to break a structure. Let's see what we got. So their forecast for, oh no, wait a minute. This isn't unemployment claims. This is building permits. Wait a minute. Did I get the news wrong? I put a thumbnail for this stuff and everything, man. Wait a minute. We gotta go to wait a minute. It's a goddamn minute here. Oh no, we gotta, okay, so we actually, all right, so we actually got unemployment claims. I thought I was tripping. It's just not showing on TradingView for some reason. TradingView, y'all tripping, man. What the hell is going on? Give me goddamn buzzer for them. Anyway, so we do have unemployment claims this morning at 8:30 a.m. We also have building permits and we have Philly Fed Manufacturing Index. So, also notable, we have the European Central Bank President Lagarde. I don't know if that's Lagarde or is it Lagarde? You know, I'm not really sure how you say his last name. Pretty sure I'm butchering it, but we basically got a Fed speech. You know, it's equal to what we have here in the U.S., but it's just for Europe. All right, so you know, I don't know. I'm sure he'll pump some fear into the market or some greed, or you know, it's likely to affect the market a little bit. So it's something to look out for if we are in Euro trades. I'm not in any Euro trades today. I'm sticking with GBP. Sticking with the GBP game plan. All right. But while we are waiting, actually go to the bigger screen. Can we go to the bigger screen? Please, thank you. All right. Let's look at, somebody asked me to look at gold. Somebody asked me to look at gold on my last stream. I didn't see it until late. Let's see, where are we at? All right, gold is still in that. It's still in that no trade zone. I'm gonna do a video on that. I haven't seen that on YouTube. It's in the no trade zone. The no trade zone is where? That is in between. If you pull out your Fibonacci, all right, let's go to the weekly. All right, if we pull out our Fibonacci and we trace this entire swing, all right, so this is actually ICT's optimal trade entry fib. So if we look at our regular fib, here we are. This area between the 38.2 and the 50% level is an area that you do not want to trade in. All right, because you don't know where the hell it's going. You don't know where the hell it's going. So what I'm suspecting that gold is going to do is, let's see, can I find the tool here? I'm thinking that we're likely going to bounce around in this area and then maybe dip down here somewhere. And then maybe some expansion. That's what I would like to see for gold. That's where I would be trying to take a long trade at, would be somewhere down here. You know, I don't know. You know, ideally long term, we're looking at a daily chart. So like ideally somewhere down here, maybe even lower than that. Maybe at an 80% level. I'd be looking to take a trade around there. But right now, gold is not the pair that I'm trying to trade. All right. So in the large swing, we are in between the 38.2 and the 50% level. And what about a small swing? Oops, let's get rid of this. Let me turn it back to OTE. So I wrote it right there. Don't take any goddamn trades in this area. Do not do it. Do not do it. All right. I'm just gonna leave it there. I'm gonna leave it there just to remind me. But you know, I know mental note is no, don't take any trades here. That's why I actually have an alert set. What is the level for this? 165.62. So once it trades below that level, then you know I'll start looking at gold again. But yeah, gold is on the back burner. We don't leave it alone, guys. That's when you know when you're in between those two levels on any pair, just leave it alone. Just, you know, go to another pair, find something else, find an opportunity somewhere. Because it's not going to be worth your time. It's going to chop you around and you're going to get frustrated. You know, it's already you're going to miss it sooner or later, you know, and you're going to wonder. I think that was that losing streak that I just showed you guys. That was at a that was in that level. Okay. That was at that level. And you got to okay. And the buzzer took too long. It needed to come in a little earlier than that. But when you start taking losses like that, I zoom out, pull out your fib and look at where you are. I guarantee that you are in that 38.2 to 50% level. If you are taking losses, you're taking buys, then it looks like, okay, well, it's a sell now, and then it looks like a buy, and now it looks like a sell. Look, you're in that level, okay? That's what that level does. It chops you around. All right. So shout out to you guys in the chat right now. We're not in the chat because there's nobody in the chat, but in the stream. Shout out to you guys if you are in the stream right now, or if you're watching on the replay. I need you to do two things. I need you to like the video and I need you to subscribe to the page because it helps me out. It helps me get other people in here, and share the video with a friend. If you guys have any trader friends, any people that want to learn how to trade, I'm here every morning. Content is free. You know, I'm not charging anybody anything for anything. All right. All you got to do is show up. If you're willing to work for yourself, I am willing to work with you. All right. Trading is not easy, but you know, I know what I know. And you know, definitely willing to help you guys out with that. So once again, if you are in the stream now, or you're watching on the replay, please like the video and subscribe to the goddamn page. Push the goddamn button. Didn't work like I wanted it to. My sound effects are slow today. I don't know what's going on. All right. So, as I was saying, gold is a no-go for probably a while, probably a couple of weeks. This is a weekly chart that we're looking at, so it's going to take a couple of weeks to get out of there. It's going to take a couple of weeks, so I'm going to leave it alone. Let me mute this mic so I can take a drink, so I'm not embarrassing myself on the goddamn stream. But what I will do is play some music. Come on, man. I shouldn't have to do all of this to take a goddamn sip of coffee. There we go. All right. And we are back. We are back. That was a quick little break. Quick little break. Just had to take a sip on my little Starbucks coffee. I love these things, man. I love these things. As if you out there and you ever want to, you know, send me like a case of these, you know, Starbucks, you know, you want to sponsor a brother. I drink these on the show every day. Shout out to Starbucks, man. Send me free stuff. Anyway. So guys, we're about 15, 16, 17 minutes away from CME Open. And we're getting some push, some retracement. All right. So, you know, we're just gonna kind of see what's gonna happen here. All right. We are going to see what is going to happen. Just gonna kind of chill out and see. Let's look at what else is going on in these Forex streets. Take a look at USD JPY. Man, this shit is a mess. At least on the lower time frame, it is. Man, look at this. What is it trying to expand to? I don't know. You know, it looks like we could be trying to head back to 150, 150.05. I mean, we had some nice daily expansion. Oh man. I would probably be looking. You know, let's actually keep a look. Let's keep an eye out on USD JPY for the next few. You know, I mean, we might want to set some alerts. You know, I didn't know USD JPY was looking like this on the daily chart. We might be able to find some opportunities. All right. Guys, you know what? I never told you guys. If you look at the top of the screen here, I have a subscriber goal. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Okay? Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. So I can get I want the super chat. I want the super chat feature. You know what I'm saying? I want the super chat feature. You know, I want that to come up, you know, and we actually have a daily donation goal, but I don't really care about that stuff. I don't really care about the donations. But if you are enjoying the show and you think that it is valuable information being provided, then donations are accepted. The link, I don't know where the link is. I don't know where the link is. Give me 1 second here. Because I will post the link in the chat. All right. Give me a second here. All right, you know, while I'm doing that, I don't know, keep you guys in dead silence. That's just crazy. Let's keep it mellow. I'm gonna do some scene switching. I think I need a scene in here with just trading view so you guys can actually see the full screen. Yeah. Hey guys, be patient. Be patient because the stream is gonna evolve. The stream is gonna evolve. You know. You know, I'm gonna switch up things, switch up the times, kind of. You know, it's gonna go how it's gonna go. I'm still trying to figure this stuff out. Like, we're not gonna do the news on stream anymore. You know, I'm just gonna do that. I'll just put that on shorts. Put that on shorts, man. You know, because some stuff I like to react to in the moment, and it's a lot to do every day on stream. Give me 1 second here. But and they were. Oh my goodness. I'm supposed to be like I'm supposed to be good at technology stuff. It's kicking my ass right now though. All right, so we're gonna pin that message to the top of the chat. All right, it's on the YouTube side of things, and I'll do it on the Facebook side of things. Post the donation link. Give me 1 second here. Shout out to Kevin. I see you in here, Kevin, on the Facebook side of things. Thank you for attending the show. All right. I see you. I'm just trying to. I'll get back to the show in just a second. I'm trying to post some stuff in the chat. But, guys, if you have any questions, feel free to post them in the chat. All right. Appreciate it, man. My boy. Yeah, man, we just trying to make sense out of these markets, man. That's it. That's all. Well, hopefully, man, you know, let me go back to, give me 1 second here because I'm trying to do a couple of things at once. But yeah, we also, you know, we got news coming up in about 8 minutes. So that is my plan. That's my plan, is longing GBP or longing the euro. But longing GBP, that is my plan. What I'm hoping for is that news hits 8:30. and it pushes GBP down into about 126.50 and then long for the rest of the day. Now we also have a possibility that news does push it down, but it pushes it down past 126.40, which I have two other trades. Let's actually show you these. All right, so if you look to the top of me, pause. So if you look on top on the phone, the virtual phone on top, those are my three trades that I have placed. My first trade is placed at 126.50, 52 point something, so we just call it 53. Stop loss is at 126.32. Yeah, we call it 32. 126.32 or 33. All right, so if we get blown out, which I don't think we should, I don't think that'll get blown out, but if we do get blown out, then my next two trades are long GBP at 126.30 and then another long GBP at 126.24. All right, so Kevin, that is the plan. That is the plan for today. So it is definitely long foreign currencies and short on the US dollar. And I forgot what I was trying to do. Oh, I was trying to post the donation link in the chat. Once again, guys, donations are not necessary. I don't care about that stuff, but they are appreciated. All I'm gonna do is use that stuff to make the stream better. You feel me? That is it. How's gold looking? Man, listen, I just went up. Oh my goodness. Man, look, I just went over gold. And for me, personally, let me post this up. Give me 1 second, Kev. Give me 1 second, Kev. Pin this up in the comments real quick. Yeah, so let me show you what I was looking at on gold. All right. Gold, I am leaving gold alone for a very long time. Here's the gold daily chart. And gold is in that area, in that specific area that you typically don't want to be trading in. All right. And that area is, if you pull out your fib, on gold, this is a different fib. All right. We're in that area between the 38.2 and the 50% level on the Fibonacci, and that is not the ideal area to be trading in. All right. So right now, I'm leaving gold alone for at least another, it's going to be a couple of weeks, maybe a couple of days, maybe it'll, but I want to see gold trade out of this area here. I don't want to take any trades in that area. If I'm longing gold, then I want to take it below this level. I want to take it below 1979. Ideally, I would want it. I want a long below 1940. Somewhere around 1933-ish. And we also have an imbalance here. Let me take the fib off just so we can get rid of this confusing stuff. All right. We have an imbalance here that has not been traded back into yet. So imbalance between 1908 and 1885. All right, so Ideally, I think we should see an opportunity after liquidity is cleared below 1933, and then maybe we get a little bit of a push up. But the big push on gold, I want to see it about 1885. All right. Then I want to see the big push from there. All right. So, but to answer your question, yeah, might just have to push back down to cover that. Yeah. See, yeah, absolutely. See, you already on it, man. Kev, see, you need to come over. Yeah, see, you know what you're doing, man. You need to go ahead, come over to this YouTube side, man, so I can get you a wrench, and so we can, about the FVGs, about the order blocks. I don't really have to teach you anything. You need to come over to the YouTube side, man. Trading Coach P, so I can wrench you up, man, so people know that you are an actual trader, that you know what you're talking about. You can join my other mods. Where's Gabriel? Gabriel, where the hell you at, man? Where's my damn sound effects? I can't even. My sound effects are not working today. I don't know what is going on. I can't get it. I can't get it right. It literally just froze on me. What the hell is going on here? Oh man, I hope I don't stop the stream because I pressed this button like 50 times. Yeah, we'll do that. Yeah, man, come on over here, man. Gotta get you a wrench, man. I like people on Facebook too, but I can't really mod you over here. Can I mod you on Facebook? Let's see. Oh. Let's see. Oh damn, Facebook ain't got no options. They just say damn, ban just gives you option to ban people. Man, nah, I want to mod you up, man. So we know you know what you're talking about. Anyway. Yeah, Kev, when you get over on that side, man, just send a chat. Send a chat, man, so I can get you all modded up, man. Get you the wrench. So people know. But anyway, if you are just joining the stream, we're talking about gold, and we're not doing anything on gold for a long time. For a long time. Maybe look for some shorts. But I feel like GBP and Euro is offering the better price action right now, even over the indices, even over like NAS and US 30, S&P. I think it's offering better price action because we were near all-time highs on the indices, so it's not a lot I want to do with that. All right, so we are at open. We're at market open, and I don't know what kind of. Let's refresh the calendar here, and let's see what kind of good or bad news we got for USD. What are we looking at? Unemployment claims today? I fucking forgot. Oh my goodness. Like, yo, I really cannot switch anything. Okay, I guess I'm gonna have to do this manually then. All right, so news came in, and unemployment claims forecasted at 206K. Previous was 203K. Now this came in at 187K, so less than forecast, and that is good. That should see that should make USD expand. It should make GBP and the euros, should make the foreign currencies retract, if that's the right word for it. Building permits came in at more than expected, so all of that is good for the US dollar, which means that we should be seeing some push down now, which we are. GBP currently sitting at 126.75. All right, we're looking for 126.50. and then long for the rest of the day. So hopefully we can get that. Hopefully we can get that. We're looking at GBP hour chart right now, and we're just gonna stay on that because that's where we are. But I'm only looking at it. You're not looking at it. What the hell? I forgot I need to do this manually now because I don't know what happened to my stream deck. It just quit. It quit on me. It just completely quit. I wonder, can I still do the music? Let's see. It just completely quit on me, guys. It's the weirdest thing I've ever seen ever. All right. So, give me a second. Let me try to fix this. Uh-oh. It's the weirdest thing, man. Come on, Stream Deck. Come on, Elgato. I'm tripping. I hit the buzzer, but I can't. There, that's the that's the closest I can get here. We used to get in trouble for doing it. We used to get in trouble for that, man. But all right, we still got some downside push. Pause. And you know, there's no telling what we might get here. Now it looks like it wants to go to the upside. Don't know. We don't really know what we might get. It might continue expanding from right there. Don't know. We'll have to wait and see. But if it doesn't retrace down into the 150 level, 126.50, then we just let it go. That's it. And there's a no trade day. You know, we didn't gain any money, but we didn't lose any either. You know, and that's kind of part of trading. You know, yeah, you take that. A day that you didn't trade is a day that you didn't lose any money. All right, and that's what you got to remember. What in the entire hell is going on? Oh, there we go. All right, is my stuff working again? Can I switch? There we go. Oh my goodness, man! Give Elgato the goddamn buzzer. And it still took all day. It still took all day. What the hell? Elgato, get your goofy ass out of here. What the hell? Alright, anyway. Alright, so there we go. We're getting a little push down. Anyway. I was saying, guys, if you are in the stream now, guys, I also, you know, you're not, if you weren't here at the beginning of the stream, I told you guys I have a little bit of health issues. I'm currently fighting colon cancer, which is, every time I tell you that, I'm going to give the booze to that. All right. It is what it is, okay? But sporadically, I might not be able to stream live for whatever reason. I might have an appointment, or I just might not be feeling well for whatever reason. So, guys, what I've done to kind of, you know, supplement for that is we have a Discord page, and that is Coach P's Trader Talk. All right. So if I can't, for any reason, I can't be on live, guys, I can still update you on, market movements and whatever I'm doing. And so, guys, I want you to join the Discord, okay? And you can also keep me updated. Let me know what charts that you're post your charts. Let me know what you're looking at. And, any other, news that you guys want me to review, any political news, especially political news, post it in the Discord, guys. The link is in the description. I don't have it pinned to the chat, but because I got something else pinned, I think. I don't know. Anyway. So join the Discord, guys, because the live sessions will be kind of sporadic. I'll be here most days. So, it's not a huge thing. But if I do have to miss it, this will be a way for me to inform you that I will be missing it, and we can still keep updates on the markets. All right. Kevin, subscribe to the page. Let's go. And you know what? Let's go. Kevin, do me a favor, my man. Say something in the chat so I could get you a wrench. Man, so when people come in here, man, they know you not just no regular person. Kevin is an ICT trader too. All right. Is that what we call? I don't like that term. I like ICT, all right, but I don't like saying that, yo, I'm ICT trader, man. It just doesn't seem right. I do use his concepts to explain stuff and to, understand the markets. I don't know if I'm using his strategy. I don't even know if it's considered smart money, because, man, watching his stuff, the smart money concepts is more than just the order blocks and the FVGs and the voids and all of that, man. It's all of the stuff that goes along with it, and I kind of don't do that. I kind of just study the core content, and then, I just kind of just created my own thing out of that. So, credit to all of the credit is to him for the training. Yeah, go with the trader turn. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Yeah, man. ICT trader, it just don't sound right. Even though, man, we love ICT, man. Credit ICT. And let's wish him luck. Let's wish him luck in the Robbins Cup. Let's wish him luck, man. You've been talking about it for a long time, and he definitely put a big ass rant about it on his community tab, as he likes to do. Hold on, let me get you a wrench, Kev. There we go. We got them all wrenched up, man. Now say something else in the chat, man, so we can see that wrench. Make sure you got it. Make sure you're an important person. But yeah, we're not gonna call ourselves ICT traders, man. And I don't know. We gotta find another term, man. But we still gotta credit ICT for the work that he did, in the training. Because this stuff. Oh, look, there we go. We got a trigger. We are triggered. We are live in a trade right now. Right now. All right. There we go. Yeah, Kev. Got that wrench on him. So, guys, if you are in any of my live streams and you see these wrenches, guys, that is not a regular trader. Okay, these people know what they're talking about. All right, they've been studying the markets for for some time, enough to be able to identify key levels. So guys, you listen to them too. You guys, you know, they can answer your questions. If you guys see any questions in the chat that you want to address, man, you know, feel free. These guys know what they're talking about. Got one more mod, Gabriel. I don't know where Gabriel was at. We gotta give him the buzzer, man. Where are you at, Gabriel? We need your help. We need your help in here, man. We're trying to beat these markets. All right. So trade is in profit so far. Trade is in profit so far, and you know, I'm hoping to get 40 pips on the upside. That's what I want. I want 40 pips on the upside because that's all I need to pass phase 1 of this challenge. All right. Ooh, excuse me. So let me go back to this for a second and let me throw on this music. Oh man, did it do it again? Did it freeze? Man, Stream Deck, you suck. Okay, there we go. There we go. All right, guys, I'm gonna take a 2-minute break. 2 minutes, all right? And we will be right back. And what I'm going to do, I'm gonna put up the mobile too, so you can follow along with the trade, so you can see if we're in profit or if we are in the negative. Currently now, $135 in profit, 120. It's kind of fluctuating a little bit. It's kind of fluctuating. So we'll see what happens. But I'm gonna take a 2-minute break, guys. I will be right back. Don't go anywhere. And if you're in the chat and you're watching, I mean, not in the chat, but if you're on the stream and you're watching, please like the video, subscribe to the page because it really helps me out. All right, be right back, guys. I'll do it. I'll do it. All right. Let's keep the vibes going, and we're just gonna see where this trade is. All right, we're in pretty decent profit. Not very little drawdown too, which is good. We love that. We like little drawdown trades. All right. Oh my goodness, excuse me. I keep burping into the goddamn mic. It's that Starbucks, man. Come on, Starbucks, you gotta sponsor me now. Like I've said Starbucks too many times on this goddamn stream. I don't even need a lot either. You're just seeing me like a boatload of the vanilla frappuccinos, and I'll drink like 3 or 4 of them every night on stream. Goddamn buzzard. Y'all watching this like, damn, this is why he got health issues now. That's you drinking all that damn coffee, drinking all that damn sugar and dairy and shit. That's why you're fighting. That's why you goddamn fighting cancer, you goofy. That's not the reason. All right, that ain't the reason. So shut up if that's what you're thinking. I enjoy my coffee drinks. All right, everything else is healthy. Everything else I eat is pretty healthy. All right. But yeah, guys, the cancer battle is no fun. I don't wish this on anybody, man, at all. It's not fun, you know. But you got to keep pushing, and I will keep pushing. And you guys are kind of part of that, you know. I feel like, you know, you stay in good health, you stay in good spirits, and you guys give me a purpose for being here, you know. Because I know there's people out here that want to learn this, and there's so much scammy shit going on out there, man. I get on Facebook and man, let me turn this goddamn music off so I can rant. Man, I get on Facebook and I see these people, they're promoting their bogus ass strategies. Oh, here's the banker strategy. You trade like the bank. Trade like the bank. I'll show you the secrets. I used to work at a bank. I'll show you. And now I'm disgruntled, and now I'm charging you $4,000 for this 2-hour course. And you can learn all the banker secrets. Trade like the bank. Get that bullshit out of here, man. You know, I know it's people out here that want to learn, and I know they want to learn, you know, the right way, and they want to learn the good stuff, you know. And there's always ICT stuff, but man, ICT got a lot of content you got to shift through. It's a lot of stuff, man. And you know, he also doesn't do it live, so you know, that's not a knock on him, but you know, I think some people prefer to learn like that. Some people prefer to see what you're doing live. You understand? I mean, that's how I would have preferred to learn. You know, I'd prefer to have the videos and then be able to come see it live every day. You know, see the concepts in action, see why you're taking certain trades. You know, you see, I told you this trade that we're in right now, and it's going up. It's pretty good. It's doing pretty good. And the reason, I showed you guys the reason why I was taking that trade. So if you didn't get it, rewind to the beginning of the stream, and you'll understand why why I took the trade and why I'm holding on to it. And you know, that's just how I prefer to learn, you know. And this is only my, I don't know what stream number is this. Is this number 5 or number 4? This might be number 5. It's only stream number 5, and we got 5 subscribers, 6 subscribers. You know what? My damn subscriber alert didn't work, because when Kevin subscribed, it was supposed to give me some kind of alert. I'm gonna just take all that stuff down, man, because none of this shit works. Like, why do I even have it up there? Why do I have it up there? But anyway, what was I saying? Yeah, you know, so, you know, I'm gonna, you know, I got a couple of videos, regular videos that I'm gonna post up. We're gonna do some shorts. If you go back to my previous streams, I had a segment in the second hour of the show. You know, I would do some political news and like just like regular social media goofy shit that was, you know, just to keep it fun and lighthearted for the stream. But we're gonna start doing that on YouTube Shorts, you know, because that's you know, it's better fit for the shorts, you know. And I like doing it, you know. It's fun. It's, man, these politicians are always doing some goofy shit. They're always doing some goofy shit. So, you know, that with that alone, man, if they take the markets away, man, I will still have content forever. Yeah, I will still have content forever, just off of them doing goofy shit, you know. So it is what it is. It is what it is. We are currently sitting at 126.63 on GBP. We have 4 minutes and 30 seconds to go left in this 1 hour candle that we are watching. And we want more expansion. We want more expansion to the upside. Currently expanded to the upside. We are up. How many damn pips are we up right now? We're up 11, 12 pips. We are up right now. All right. So not so bad. Not so bad. The euro is down 22 pips. 22 pips. USD CAD is up 13. S&P and NAS is up. S&P up 16 points. NAS is up 131 points. Currently sitting at 16,874. But US 30 is struggling to gain some ground, down 81 points. So it's kind of confusing. Gold is up 3 points on the day. And USD JPY is up 6 points. All right. So we got it's man, the markets are all confusing today. They're all over the place. We don't know. We're gonna trust our analysis on GBP USD and let this trade ride for another couple of hours. I'm here with you guys until, I don't know, what time did I say I'm here till? 7:30, 8:30, 9:30. Is it 9:30? I mean, what, 9:30 my time? Yeah. We're gonna see. We'll see. We'll see how long we're gonna hang out. Hopefully enough time for this whole trade to work out. So we will see. We're currently still up. We didn't go back down into any red, which is good. Which is good. We don't like to see red. We don't like to see red. But at the same time, the trade is not safe. Trade is still not safe. It can still come down and blow out this entire my entire stop loss. All right. It is not safe. Let's look at GBP USD 15-minute charts and see what we got. So we got 1 minute and 30 seconds left in this 1 hour candle. And not much expansion. We're coming right back into the order block. We're coming right back into the order block. 15-minute candle is going to close bearish. What are we? Are we up? Are we up still? Yeah, we're still up on the trade. We're just going down a little bit, So we're going to see what happens. We're going to see what happens. Oh, there's our first red. That's our first red of the day. That's our first red of the day. It's okay. We're going to hold on. We're going to hold on. 30 seconds left in I got to count up. 6, 7, 8 in the 8 o'clock hour. I gotta count it in East Coast time, guys. If I tell you Arizona time, you're gonna be like, "What the hell?" Because nobody's on Arizona time. It's weird. It's weird. It's 7 o'clock in the morning here in Arizona. You know, we're on a different time zone than everybody else. We don't do daylight savings time, which is cool. I like that we don't do that here in Arizona. But it's also weird because, you know, it's like you're in a different world than everybody else. In California right now, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. If you're in the Midwest, if you're in Chicago, where I'm from, where I gotta say, no, not Chicago. I gotta say Oak Park, Illinois is where I'm from. I don't know. Chicago people have been tripping lately. I'm like, oh man, well, if you're from somewhere close to Chicago, it's not Chicago, so you got to actually say the place. I'm like, well, kiss my ass. Okay, from Oak Park then. All right. No one cares. Let's go back and look at the 1 hour. All right. So we're we're not in the red anymore. We're back in the red, $20 in the red. We're back to break even for a second. So we're gonna see what this next hour candle does. All right. All right, and now we're back to expansion, which is good, which is what we want to see. The 9 o'clock hour. 9 o'clock hour, we're back to expanding. All right. So this might be, you know, we might have to hold this trade for the entirety of the stream. And what I would have liked it to do is just rocket ship up there. But unfortunately, that's not how it works. It's not how it works. We got to have a little bit of patience. All right, so we went up a little bit. Looks like we're up about 2 pips right now. And we want to see, I want to see this. I want to see this thing rocket ship out of this zone. I want to see it. I want to see it leave and not come back. All right. I want to see it leave and not come back. And I don't know, you know, the pace of this, is I don't know. where we might have to hold this over until the next day, or at least until close to the end of the day today. Just because, you know, it's not a lot of pace. It's not rocket shipping up. It doesn't seem to want to leave this zone right away, which we have a backup plan for that if the trade gets blown out. We got a plan. We got a plan for that. We have 2 other long trades placed below that, and if this one doesn't work out, those 2 should definitely work out. But those will definitely be trades that will have to be held over into the next day. All right. And if we win this trade and that's it, there will be no trade on Friday. So we'll just be hanging out tomorrow. All right. I don't like trades. I don't like trading on Fridays. I don't like trading on Mondays. I will, because you can sometimes find some really good trades on Mondays. But for the most part, Mondays and Fridays are not good trading days unless you're already in a trade and, you know, you're expecting some more expansion. Not a long expansion, but, you know, a couple of more pips or whatever it is. But we typically don't do that. So we're going to see how these trades work out. And if it works out, good. We won't have to trade tomorrow. That'll be it. That'll be it for the week. And since I didn't do a session yesterday, I might come back this weekend. We might look at some crypto. You know, I look at some crypto this weekend. Not taking any trades over the weekend. Definitely not. But sometimes we will. It wasn't. Sometimes we will. All right, if the opportunity presents itself, but usually crypto trading on the weekend doesn't yield anything. But those certain weekends, you know, crypto is a consolidation, man. So those certain times you get a really good consolidation, and you can take a trade. I mean, small trades, but you know, couple $100. It's like, okay. If you had to go to work, how much would you make at work? If you could pull $500 out of crypto over the weekend, man, that's a good weekend. You know, that's the equivalent. If you had a part-time job, would you make $500 in a weekend? Probably not. You know, so, you know, key is not to get greedy. And, you know, some weekends we might be able to take some crypto trades, but that won't be the goal. We'll talk about crypto, and we'll do some weekly recap, and we'll mark some charts for the next week or whatever. So I think I will do that. I think I'll come back on Saturday just to make up for the day that I didn't do yesterday. Pending that, you know, I'm feeling okay and I'm in good, you know, health standing. So we're expanding again. We're expanding. We're going back up, which is what we want to see. I like it. That's what I want to see. Get the hell out of this zone. All right. And stay out of it. Get out of this zone, GBP. All right. There's an app. There's an app that I like to use. It's called Currency Heatwave. And it's pretty good. It's a pretty good app. I'll show you guys. I had a video. I'm gonna do a video on it. And you know, it's a pretty good app. It's kind of showing you, kind of tells you when, it tells you what currency is the strongest versus the others. And you know, you're not really basing trades on it, but you know, it's good to know where the strength is at, you know, and what currency is at. Currently, Aussie, according to Currency Heatwave, Aussie is killing it right now versus everything. What is the weakest? CHF, the Swiss franc. Swiss franc is the weakest right now, followed by the CAD. The CAD is pretty weak. Wait a minute. Now CAD is looking pretty strong. Now CAD is looking like the strongest. Damn, the CAD, just Aussie and the CAD is the strongest, followed by USD. Euro and GBP. They're kind of middle of the range right now. Currently strength 4. GBP, Euro strength about 3. So we're waiting for USD to lose some strength. All right, waiting for it to lose some strength. Let's take a look at the DXY while we're talking about it. Oh man, it definitely tried to make a push up there. So, you know what I want to see. I want USD to continue to go down. All right. I want this candle to be a fluke candle. How many, what do we got left in this? Hour and 50 minutes, about 2 hours left in this 4-hour DXY candle. I want that candle to be fluky. And I want it to come back and trade back into this gap. All right. I don't want this to continue trading higher. We all don't want it. All right. And it's looking like I said, you know, it's a couple of things that have some strength. Strength in S&P tells me a lot. Strength in NAS tells me a lot. But the weakness in the Dow is kind of strange for me. We also got strength in gold. So there's a lot of stuff that's up versus the USD, which is telling me that, man, this run here, this 4-hour candle run, it's probably a fluke. It's just a news candle pushing it up. But it might not be. It might continue to expand. We got a good expansion on GBP right now. We're currently up a nice amount. 675 on the dollars on the dollars side. Want to explain it like that. What is the pip count? What is the pip count? That we're up 15 on the pip count. Which is all good. I can deal with that. All right. So guys, let's get the tunes back going. And we're gonna take a little 5-minute break. All right. And I'll be right back. Let's continue to monitor this trade. And it's going right so far. So let's see. All right. We are back. We are back. And looks like we were up a significant amount of profit and then kind of retrace back down. We got to look at it on a 15-minute time frame. Well, let's look at it even on a 5-minute. I don't really like looking at charts on the 5-minute. Cause it'll kind of it will make you think stuff is happening that's not happening. You know, if you don't keep your higher time frame perspective. But also, if you stay on higher time frames too long, it'll make you hold the trade for too long, and you'll kind of miss things that are happening that you should be aware of. So I mean, it's good to be checking the 5-minute charts, your lower time frame charts in general. So we're just gonna look here, and if let's do tape reading from 5 minutes. All right, since we're here. Two minutes left to go in this 5-minute chart. What we want to see is rejection. We created a gap here. Color code that. And we want to see rejection from that gap. It traded all the way down, full range of the gap. We don't want to see closure below that gap. Technically, we don't want to see closure below that. All right, we want to see strong rejection. We got a minute and 30. We got a minute and 30 left in this candle. So I want to see strong rejection. And if we close right there, I want to see the very next candle shoot up. All right. And I ain't talking about drugs. I want to see it leave the zone, leave this color coded, this yellow area that I have marked here. I want to see it leave there. All right. And if it doesn't, it's likely that we were wrong on the trade, which is okay. Which it'll be okay. 40 seconds left in the 5-minute candle. And we're seeing some resistance at that zone. I technically don't want to even see it close in that zone, but because it's a 5-minute candle, you know, we kind of let it rock, whatever. You know, because we're trusting the higher time frame analysis here. So, you know, I'll let it. I can let it slide if it closes in that zone. I don't want to see that. Here's the end of that candle. Oh, and we close pretty deep in that zone. I don't like that. I don't like it. But I'm not gonna close the trade. I'm gonna close the trade. We're gonna hang on to it. Yeah, Kevin. Yeah, you say it's 4 p.m. on my side. Oh man. Oh man, Kev, you way on the other side of the earth. Oh man, it's just now starting to get dark for you. It's starting to get light for us out here. Oh man. Oh man, that's cool. Oh man, that's cool though, man. We got traders from all around the world, man. I love that. I love that. You gotta love the internet, man. You gotta love the internet, man, because man, it just allows you to connect with people that you would have never connected with before. You know, that's cool as hell. Kev says he's from, man, bro, I don't even want to screw that up. Botswana. I'm gonna have to Google that. I'm gonna have to Google that, man, because I've never even heard of that. But man, we got traders all the way out there, man. That's crazy. That's crazy. But it sounds like, man, that sounds like somewhere I want a vacation to. You know what I'm saying? Oh, my little baby is up. My little baby is up. And baby, please don't run into my lights. Baby, please don't run into my lights. Oh my goodness. My little daughter. Oh, you hear some baby talk in the background. That's my little precious. That is just my little precious. So it's all good. It is all good. So getting a little bit of, getting a little bit of bullishness. I want to see it, man, leave that zone. That's what I want to see price doing. We got 2 minutes and 30 seconds left in this 5-minute candle, and we are back above the zone. I expect it to kind of mess with us a little bit, kind of get back down in there and then trade out and do its own little little foolery that it does. So we're pushing 2 minutes left in the 5-minute candle, and we are getting a nice push. We're getting a nice push here. And that is what I like. That's what I like to see. This is exactly what I want to see. Baby, oh my goodness. My daughter, she is going on 3 years old, and she is clumsy as all hell. So now I'm watching her. I'm sitting here watching her like, girl, please don't run into my lights. That'd be like the craziest thing that happened on stream. You would see this completely go dark. See my whole green screen in the background. Oh man. It'd be the craziest thing. Oh my goodness. All right, so we're back in the zone now. We got 59 seconds left in the 5-minute candle. We are currently sitting at 126.63 on GBP USD. All right. Let me check the Facebook. Nothing on Facebook. Let me check the YouTube. It's a little bit on YouTube. All right. Currently getting a push up. We got 29 seconds, 30 seconds left in the 5-minute candle on GBP USD. 126.63 is where we're sitting at. And we want to continue that push up. Of course it's gonna mess around and do its little thing. 8 seconds left in the 5-minute candle, and we could not close outside of the zone, and now we're outside of the zone. There we go, and there's the close outside of the zone. That's what we wanted to see. All right, even though it's just a man, maybe a 5 pipettes closed above that zone, that's still what we want to see. We wanted to see it reject that zone, which means it's a good buying price, which means we should continue expanding from there. All right. My take profit level for this is 126.97.7. All right. Oh my God, do you guys hear that? You gonna hear some toys going off in the background. All right. Unfortunately. Well, fortunately, man. It's my baby. So, she can. It's cool. She can do it. I gotta check my alarms. Guys, you guys should see my alarms. Oh my goodness. All of this goddamn medication I gotta take, man. Hit the buzzard on that shit. All this goddamn medication I gotta take. Man, my alarm, man. I should show y'all this, man. I should show y'all this. Look at this. How many damn alarms? Look at this. Oh man, hold on. I don't want to delete anything. All these goddamn alarms. Man, that's all alarms for. What times I gotta take goddamn medication, man. This is crazy. Give me the buzzer. Jeez. Only one of those alarms is set for my stream start time. So one of them is, hey, it's time to start the stream. The rest of them is, hey, you got to take this pill. You got to take this pill. You got to take this pill. And that ain't even all of them. That's not even all of them. That's just the stuff I got to remember. Like that I have trouble remembering. Like it's still more stuff. Guys, I don't wish cancer on anybody. All right. It's a hard battle. It's a hard battle. You know, maybe I'm on stream and I make it look like it's not a hard thing. But man, it is hard. It's hard. All right. You know, and I think I'll make a video. I'm gonna do a couple of videos today. A couple of regular videos. I got a few actually in the archive from a while back. Actually from a while back, and you know, I'll post those up, and you know, I'll share my full cancer story, and you know, kind of why I started trading, why I was able to find this career path, if you will. And you know, we'll do some other videos. My little baby, she just having fun. She is having too much fun. She woke up super bubbly. Which is all good, man. We like that. We like that. All right. So guys, we've been on stream 2 hours. 2 hours we've been hanging out, guys. Which is all good. Which is all good, man. I like hanging out with you guys. I don't think there's anybody here now, though, man. I think I'm in here by myself. Hit the buzzer. Hit the buzzer on that shit. But yeah, I think I'm in here by myself right now. But it's all good because I know I got you guys on the replays. If you are on the replay, or if you are in somewhere viewing this now, and I just can't see it because my Streamlabs is glitchy as all hell, and you know, it's not it doesn't show me. If you are watching right now, I need you to do me a favor and like the video because it helps the algorithm out, and subscribe to the goddamn page. Push the goddamn button. Push the goddamn button. All right, so GBP, we got 5 seconds left in this 5-minute candle. It is currently 9:30 in the morning on the East Coast. 7:30 in the morning here in Arizona, where I am. And my face is looking a little shiny. I think I'm getting a little hot. It's Arizona. So, you know, it is what it is. Guys, we're hoping to get 40 pips out of this trade. If we get 40 pips out of this trade, that'll be phase 1 of my prop firm challenge. And if you wanted to know, if you didn't know already, but I mentioned it a couple of streams ago, this prop firm that I'm using, this is Forex prop firm, FPF. And a lot of people may have never heard of them. They're kind of new. And I mean, so far I've been pretty satisfied with them. I don't have any issues. Trading conditions are pretty good. They use 8cap as a broker, and yeah, I haven't had any problems. I haven't had any problems with these guys. You know, let's actually take a while. We have a minute here. You know, while we're waiting for a trade to unfold, what we can do is let's take a look at their dashboard. Oh my god, baby. She love that song. A little doll sings. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but if you can hear it, it's a little doll that my little baby likes to play with, and it sings. If you can't hear it, then just don't worry. You don't worry about what I'm talking about. Ignore it. Ignore it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wait a minute here. Alright guys, so let me show you FPF. So here is FPF. This is the prop firm that I'm currently using here. And this is their dashboard, which is I mean, the dashboard is not bad. It's not like it's not as intricate as maybe the funded trader or as FTMO or as my Forex funds would have been. But FTMO we got a whole drama thing going on with FTMO, which I'll do a video on later. I think I'm gonna do that video. I haven't recorded it yet. I wanted to do a little bit of research on the whole FTMO thing. If you don't know, they're not accepting US customers anymore. The biggest prop firm out there is not accepting US customers anymore, which is crazy. And I did some research and I'm gonna kind of explain why, and I'm gonna break it down a little bit. But in the meantime, this is the prop firm that I'm using. This is FPF Forex prop firm, and here is their dashboard. Like I said, you know, it's you know, could leave some to be desired, but at the same time, you know, it gives you all the information that you need at the end of the day, man. I mean, it could look cooler, whatever. But I mean, it is what it is. You don't, you know, all we want is we want the information that we need, and it's kind of telling you. And I don't really need all of this information, honestly. You know, usually your equity, your high watermark, number of trading days you got, whatever your expectancy is, your average win, your win rate. None of that stuff matters to me, man. You know, I've passed prop firm challenges with a 34% win rate. You know what I'm saying? And so, and that's also why I don't put my win rate and my wins and my losses on the actual screen here. Because I mean, that stuff doesn't matter, man. How many trades you won and lost, it really doesn't matter, man. You can profit with very little, very little wins, you know, as long as you're risk managing. So I mean, none of that stuff matters, man. New traders see that and say, oh man, this guy's 90% accurate, he's 95% accurate. None of that stuff means anything, man, because you know, a lot of times people count, you know, the 2 pip wins as a win. And I mean, I guess it is a win if it's in profit at the end of the day, but like, you know, I don't know if I would count that towards my percentage, you know. But whatever, you know, what do I know? Currently still waiting for some expansion out of GBP at a 5-minute candle that actually closed bearish, and we are in 9:30 ish hour. Oh man, I need a goddamn paper towel. I'm sweating. Maybe it's the lights. You can actually look at my forehead, bro. You can actually see the placement of my lights. Like it's right there. Right there. Give me the goddamn buzzer. Alright guys, wait a minute, man, cause we gotta fix this, man. I can't be on the stream all shiny and shit. Alright. Nah, man. Nah. Wait a minute, man. We gotta, cause it's the morning time now. Now, man, I don't need to play that laid back shit anymore. I don't need to play that laid back shit anymore, man. Let's play some hyped up shit. Oh no, we're back in the zone. Wait a minute. I don't like it. I don't like it. We're back in the zone. We could not close above the zone. I don't like it. I don't like it. We need to be pushing up. We need to be pushing up, not down. But I'm gonna let this play for a second, and I need to get me, I need to wipe off my goddamn forehead. I can't be in here shiny forehead, man. So guys, I'll be right back. All right, guys. Sorry about the long freaking break. Jeez. Once again, health issue. Give me the goddamn buzzer, man. A little bit of issues going on. A little bit of health issues. Got to get up and walk around a little bit. Sometimes. Shout out to everybody that kind of waited around, and you're still in the stream and you're still watching. I appreciate you, for real. Let's get you some shout out to you. All right, and so right now, currently, trade is looking pretty good. Let me actually put the long short tool here. Where were we long at? At this trade, we were long at 126.52. Stop loss is here at 32. Oh. I need a steady hand. What's wrong with my surgeon hand? There we go. And our profit target is 26.97. All right, so this is what whatever 51.9. That's close enough. Close enough. And so that is what our trade looks like. That is where we entered at. This is our profit target. This is what we are waiting for, and we're up. We are a pretty decent amount. And you know, we'll hang out. We'll wait. We'll be patient and see if it all works out. All right. Doing pretty good on the trade as of right now. We're currently sitting at 126.69 on GBP USD. It is 9:57 in the AM on the East Coast. All right. So that is it. I don't have any sound effects for that. All right. But we're currently on the push up, and that's what I like to see. So let's see, can we get to our level? We're just gonna hold and we're gonna wait and we're gonna see. We are going to see. All right. We're looking at GBP USD 30-minute chart. We currently have 1 minute and 30 seconds left on this time frame. On this in this hour. Yeah, my little baby just having a great time. Just having a great time over here. And it's all good. We love to see it. Anyway, guys, if you are in the stream, you are watching and you're enjoying the stream, please do me a favor, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Push the goddamn button. All right. Got at the 1,000 subscriber goal. I'm trying to do it in 30 days. Try to do it in 30 days. You guys think that's reasonable? Is that a reasonable goal? 1,000 subscribers in 30 days? Like, what's the mathematics on that? Let's see. What is the mathematics on that? Let me actually go to So my calculator, baby, be careful over there, please. This little girl is gonna knock down one of my lights. I'm knowing it. I'm knowing it. So we're talking about 1,000 subscribers in 30 days. Oh man, it's 33 subscribers per day. That is probably not gonna happen, but it could happen because you guys can share the stream, post it on your social media, let a friend know, and we can make that 1,000 subscriber goal. Man, I want the super chat. I want the super chat features. I want I want those other features that the YouTubers got, and then I can start killing you guys with ads. I won't do it on the live streams though. I'll kill you with them on my regular videos. Or monetize my shorts or something. Pause. Monetize my YouTube shorts videos. All right. So currently looking good. Currently, sitting in a good place for this trade. So we're in a good spot. We're just gonna sit back and let it play out, guys. I'm here with you for another 2 hours. 2 hours, depending on how this trade plays out. Depending on how the trade plays out, that's gonna determine how long I'm hanging out with you guys. Oh, see, I do it. Guys, give me 1 second here. Let me fix my light back. I knew my little baby was gonna run into one of my lights. She clumsy as hell. Give me 1 second. Throw some music on here. All right, we are back. Sorry for the long pause. For the long pause, guys. It was had to get my lights together, had to get some other stuff together. But I appreciate you all that stuck around. Guys, we're doing pretty good on the trade. About 50% of the way to the profit target, a little bit more than 50%, maybe 60, 70%, almost there. So let's see. And if it hits the profit target, that would mean passing phase 1 of this prop firm challenge for me. Let's give that some applause. Yes, that's what that means. But it hasn't happened yet, so let's not start celebrating and whatever. Let's let the trade play out, and we're just gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna let the trade play out and see exactly how it goes, and then we would do the celebrating and of that afterward, because I mean, man, it could come down and still take out my my stop loss, but I got my stop loss in profit now, so it is what it is. If it comes back down there, that means it's going to drop into my other trades. So we are up 1500. Is that what it says? 15. Yep. We're up 30 pips. We need 10 more. We need 10 more pips. Ten more. Or maybe it's like 11. It's like 11 more or something. Let's see, what is it? $285. Yeah, that's about right. Profit would be about $22.85, and we need. Let me do the math because I suck with it in my head. Well, if I wasn't on live stream, I'd be able to do this real quick. It's 107, 782. Yep, so we need about 2218 bucks is what we need to pass the challenge. All right, and we're close. We're getting close. We'll just let it ride. For the rest of the New York session and see what happens. All right. Let's get rid of these arrows because the goddamn arrows are in the way and they look goofy. Cool. All right. It is 10:18 in the AM on the East Coast. It is 8:18 here in Arizona. Just gotta let you guys know where I'm at. All right. So GBP, we're currently sitting at 126.80, 126.79 area. We're still down. The GBP is still in the red for the day. It's still in the red for today. All right. So it is still in the red. It is still down 1 pip for the day. So now we are at complete break even on GBP. We're at even. We're at market open. Oh, and now we went green for a little while. We went green for a little bit. It's trying. It's trying to make its way up there. Struggling a little bit. That resistance, that candle here, this the top of this news candle, I believe this was the news candle. This 30-minute candle here, 6:30. Yep. Top of the news candle is going to have a little bit of resistance, and that's okay. That is okay. We just let it keep on rolling. We got 9 minutes and 20 seconds left in this 30-minute candle. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart actually and see what we got going on here. All right. All right. All right. 126.75 is the level that we are currently sitting at on GBP. Waiting for things to happen. All right, waiting for things to happen. There's a lot of volatility, a lot of wicking out here. A lot of wicking out on this 30-minute candle here. But I mean, it is what it is. It is what it is. We just got to be a little patient. Guys, I appreciate you sitting here with me. You guys are keeping me entertained. Well, at least keeping me awake here. Holding me accountable for paying attention to this trade and watching the whole thing, watching it play out. So, one thing that I noticed here is an imbalance that we created a single sweep above. All right. So we shouldn't close below that area. Now it can dip down there. It can dip down there, which would be okay. But we should see strong rejection from this area. We don't want it to close below there. That would be cause for concern. But not really a cause for concern. You know, it could do that and then just keep pushing up. But what we would like to see, ideally, what we would like to see is this candle close above this zone. Or if we close in there, we want to see a strong bullish candle on the next candle. All right, 126.73, 126.74 is what we're currently sitting at on GBP. So if you hear the toys in the background, that's my little baby again, having fun over here. I'm playing with a little tablet thing. So that's what it is. If you hear the toy noises going on in the background. Once again, and We are 3 hours into the stream, guys. 3 hours into the stream. And I'm glad we were able to catch a live trade. You know, we won't this won't be an everyday. We won't always be able to catch a live trade. But you know, on days we do, you know, we take them as lesson days. Guys, that's my baby's toy. If you heard that, that's not, I don't have a house phone. I don't know if you guys can hear it actually. You know, I'm gonna have to listen to this back. But if you do hear it, if you do hear it in the background, that is not my house phone going off. I don't have a house phone. People, I could see it in the comments now. People are like, who the hell? You got a house phone? Yeah, goddamn old are you? I got some grays, guys. I ain't that old though. I'm not that old. Not that young either though. Not that young. Not as young as I look, I guess. I don't know how young I look, but you know, people guess my age. They always guess it wrong. It's always way younger. You always guess way younger than what I actually am. And then I tell them and they be like, oh, wow, black don't crack. It doesn't. I guess. I guess it doesn't, you know. So this is the kind of price action I want to see, guys. This is exactly what I want to see. I want to see that close nowhere near that zone. I want to see it reject that zone and keep pushing towards the top. 3 minutes and 30 seconds left in the 15-minute candle. Yeah, let's see. That's exactly what I want to see. I want to see that close up. I want to see that closing up. And let's continue the run upwards. You understand? You understand? 3 minutes to go in this 15-minute candle. It will be 10:30 in the AM on the East Coast. So let's go. There we go. We are going bullish on the 15-minute candle. And I like it. I like it. Let's give it some applause. Yeah. Because that's what we like to see. That's what we like to see. And I should have got something to drink while I was taking that long freaking break. But I'm sweating again. I think it's these lights, man. I think these lights are just beaming down on me. Cooking me. Literally. Like a little rotisserie in here. All right. 126.77 is what we're currently sitting at on GBP USD. What are we at on the other pairs here? Euro 108.57. Currently down 24 pips. USD CAD, which is currently down 6 pips. It is sitting at 134.98. Coming down from 135. I guess. S&P is up 20 points. NAS is up 173 points on the day. It is currently at 16,917. All right. 1 minute to go left in this 15-minute candle. Gold is up 7 points on the day. Currently sitting at $2,013. It's holding above 2,000 like crazy. Gold does not want to go back down. It does not want to go back down. And man, gold is one of my favorite pairs, but man, it's been trash. It's been trash lately, guys. You got to know when when to hold them and when to fold them. You got to know when to leave certain pairs alone. All right, we're getting good runs on. We're getting good price action on Euro and GBP. So that is what we're running with for a while. But eventually, guys, they'll do similar to what they did in 2020, and interest rates will go back down, and they'll bring back in quantitative easing, and it'll suck all of the volatility out of the Forex market. Guys, oh my goodness. If anybody watching this, you'll definitely be on the replay. But man, do you guys remember that? Do you remember how, man, Forex wasn't doing anything? I'm talking about, man, there was no motion in Forex. And that's when everybody left. And started trading NAS and S&P, US 30, gold. Man, they were trading everything else. Like, everybody left Forex alone. And I don't blame them. I left Forex alone too. I think I was trading cryptos. Man, crypto was going crazy. Crypto was going crazy. It was going so crazy. It was like, man, it had traders thinking they were better traders than they actually were. I'm one of them. I'm guilty. Buzzer on that. I mean, because man, during that time, all you had to do was buy. Literally, all you had to do was buy. And I was like, oh man, I'm a genius. I was ready to put out the course right then and there. I'm like, yeah, I'm starting the course right now. And then interest rates started to skyrocket, and then it was like, it's like, what happened? I'm not good no more. Am I not good at this anymore? Hey guys, this is fruit punch in my red cup. This ain't no alcohol or nothing. Dead ass serious. I got colon cancer fighting. So I can't drink no goddamn alcohol. All right. It is fruit punch in my red cup. All right. But anyway, like I was saying, crypto was going crazy. Crypto was going crazy around that time. And when the crypto mania stopped, me and a bunch of other people probably were like, wait, what the hell? Does this stuff not work anymore? Do I need to study some more? What's going on with the price action? Is price action broke? I was blaming Biden. Biden is Biden's fault. This is Biden's fault. But no, I remember I was in an oil trade, and that was Biden's fault. That was. They released the oil reserves, and it made the oil prices crash back down. I mean, it eventually went to where I said it was going to go, but it was that specific day. I remember the specific day, and they released the oil reserves. I was in a trade. I was up like 3,000. The news came out, and man, that shit just collapsed on me. Hit my stop loss so quickly. Oh my goodness. Look. Let me show you guys. Something. I gotta bring it back. I gotta bring it back, man. I think I showed this on my last stream, but I gotta bring it back, man. I gotta bring it back. I got to show you guys one more time. One more time. Actual footage. Actual footage of me in a losing trade. Oh, you guys want to see? I gotta get it together, guys. Be a little bit patient with me. Be patient with me. I gotta get it together. Wait, we gotta turn the volume down. We gotta turn. All right, guys. Oh my God. All right, let me show you here. Oh man. So look, this is actual footage of me getting slaughtered by the market. Here I am right here in the blue. Here I am right here in the blue, and oh my goodness, Lord Jesus. God. You had every opportunity to close the trade. Every opportunity to close the trade. Oh God. And then there's me laid out. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look. Oh man. Look at this, man. Who stands there? Who stands? Hey, look. Hey, all of the guys. Look, listen. What is wrong with this woman? Listen. Look at all of the guys. All of the guys, right, are standing towards the back of the circle. Right? Smart. Like, I'm gonna stand the furthest away from the target. This damn lady here. Listen, you had all the time in the world to move. Oh God. Oh my God. What is it?
Get your goofy ass out of here.
Oh my God. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my goodness. I had to show you guys that. I had to show you guys that. That is my analogy for when you are bearish in a bullish market. That's what's gonna happen to you. That's what's gonna happen to you. P.S. I see you're watching on the Facebook side of things. How's it going? I appreciate you being here. If you are still here. If you're still here, let's give you some. Let's give. Shout out to PS in the chat. We're not in the chat. Not in the chat, but in the stream. In the live stream. All right. So shout out to you for showing up. Shout out to you for being here. And I appreciate you. I appreciate you more than you even know. Can you dig it? Can you dig it? All right. All right, so we are currently at CBP 126.87. We are 10 pips away from our take profit level. And I'm probably not going to hold it to the whole take profit level because I don't need the whole take profit level. I just needed to cross the 10,000 threshold to pass the challenge. So I got my MT5 desktop. Terminal sitting here, and we're gonna We're just gonna wait. And once it passes that threshold, we'll close out the trade, hopefully with a phase 1 challenge passed. Let's give that a all right, because that's what we want. We want past challenges. We want that, and we want to get on to phase 2. We want to get on to phase 2 of this challenge. All right. So I mean, we're almost there. We just need a little bit of patience, and just let the trade run. Guys, we are inside of 3 hours on this live stream. Three hours. Oh man, I gotta watch my little baby because she'll knock my lights over again. Man, she is like hell bent. She wants to break these lights. She can't wait. She can't wait till I move away from these lights so she can destroy it. That's how little kids do you. Alright, let's put some tools in because it looks like we're waiting for it'll be a little bit. About 8 pips off of 83, 126.83. We got 3 minutes left in this 15-minute candle, and we had a strong rejection just right now. Man, it tried to go back bearish. What in the entire hell? All right, let's look for let me check something out because I have to take a little break and stand up for a minute. And take a little break and stand up for just a second. But I want to see I got a little playlist of musics. All right. So we got to see what this is. Alright guys, I will be right back. If you didn't hear me over the music, I will be right back. Alright, sit tight. We're only a few pips away from this trade playing out like we wanted to. Alright. So I'll be back very shortly. 5-minute break. Wrong screen. Wrong screen. Can we get back to? Can we get back to the screen that I want to get? Yeah, there we go. Oh man, and our thing just started just collapsing on us. Collapsing on us. Just went down like 15 pips in 15 minutes. What the hell? That's not what we want. That is not what we want to see. Definitely not what we want to see. What in the entire hell is going on here? We got 7 minutes and 50 seconds left to go, and this candle, we gotta let it close though. Jeez. Like the fact that it dropped that many pips in that short of a time is crazy to me. Oh man, it just keeps falling. I don't want to. I'm not. Yeah, I don't want to. I don't want to close it until the candle close. All right. So it's actually better to look at this on a 30-minute chart right here, because the high of this previous candle should actually hold the support here. So we got 6 minutes to go, and I want to see that the level that it's at right now. I want to see that reject up. All right, like it's doing right now. That's what I want to see. I want to see it. I don't want to see it close down there. We still got 6 minutes. 6 minutes and 30 seconds left to go in the hour. All right. So in these 6 minutes, I want to see this. I want to see this reject, and I want to see it reject all the way above that circle, up above this box, this yellow box that I got it marked here. If it does not, we'll close the trade and we'll just be happy with what we got on the day. All right. Yeah, we'll just be happy with that. 5 minutes and 30 seconds left to go in the hour. And we're gonna see where it ends up closing at. I don't like that it's rejecting that hard. Man, it rejected. See, when you see price action like this, when it rejects that fast, that means it's time to close your trade. All right. But let the candle close though. Let it close. I mean, we're already, you know, our profit is protected. You know, we won't lose anything. At the very least, it breaks even. You know, but you know, it kind of hurts a little bit because we wanted to pass our prop firm challenge with this trade, but it looks like it might take a little bit more time. Man, it is rejecting super hard. It really wants me to close the trade. 4 minutes and 30 seconds left in the hour. It really wants me to close the trade. Let's look at this on an hourly chart. What does that look like? Oh man. Okay. There we go. We start some rejection here. Start some rejection. We got 3 minutes and 45 seconds left in the hour. So we're gonna see where we end up at. And I don't like it. Look at this. Look at this. Man, look at all that profit that we just missed. We were up 1,600. Like, it had 50%. 50% of my profits have been killed in 15 minutes. All right. So that's not good. That means this trade needs to be closed. We got 3 minutes left, but we gotta let the candle close. We gotta let the candlestick close. Yeah, definitely. Oh man, look at this. Or, then again, on a 5-minute chart, we could be looking at it dipping back down into here. But I don't like that. I don't like it. 1 minute and 50 seconds left in the hour. And man, I'm telling you, I do not like it. Man, that is ridiculous. I'm talking about 50% of my entire profits wiped. Wiped in a 15-minute candle. One 15-minute candle. You know how long it took to get up there, to get up to that amount of profit? Man, we got 47 seconds left. We got 47 seconds left, and let's see where this closes. Let's see where the 47 seconds closes us at. Where is it closing us out at? 20 seconds. Ten seconds left in. Uh-oh. That's my alarm clock. You see, you guys hear my medication alarm clock and shit. I mean, it's time to take something. It's time to take something. Oh, okay. That's just one. Alright guys, so I'll show you guys something here. So like forget that box here. The fact that it didn't close below that level makes me want to hold on to the trade. So we're gonna hold on to it. And we got about 30 minutes left here with you guys. About 30 minutes left. So we're gonna let it ride and see what happens. If we break even, we break even. Whatever. But we do have an FVG on the 5-minute charts at that yellow box area that I have mapped right there. So it could trade as far down as into there. I don't want to see it do that. I really want to see it just trade away from this level here and get on about its business. I definitely do not want to see it go, but if it does, you know, that's kind of like the last level of defense. And then if it, you know, from there, it keeps going, it'll just be a break-even trade, and you know, all of this waiting will be for nothing. But which, you know, it would also be good for you to see, because that's real trading, guys. They're not going to show you this on Twitter. They're not going to show you this on their little fake Facebook advertisements that, hey, you will sit in a trade all morning, and you will be in profit, and it'll come back and take you out at break even, and you wasted your whole day for nothing. See, this is a side of trading you don't see unless you're in a live session with somebody. All right, you're not gonna see it. So here we go. We're pushing up. We're pushing up here, guys, and this is why you don't close. This is why you don't close your trade. All right, you don't panic close your trades. All right, you just wait for it and see how it plays out, and then that'll be how it goes. So we're currently sitting at 126.77.75. It just dropped 2 pips as I said that. 126.75 on GBP USD. And we're going back bearish. It didn't like it. It did not like that level. Let's drop back down to the 15-minute chart and see what we got going on here. Because yes, we did engulf those 2 candles, but what we couldn't do is close below this second one. Now, if it would close below that, I would consider it more of an engulfing. What it looked like it did, it was trade down into this 15-minute order block here, which hadn't been traded to at all. So it's in there, and it traded in there now, and it looks like it is trying to reject and go back up. We're going to wait and see. Currently 11:05 in the AM on the East Coast time. 9:05 Arizona time. All right. So let's just see how this plays out. We're back in pretty good profit. I might just close it early. I might close it a little early. Or not. I don't know. We'll see. All right. What else are we looking at? Euro is still down bad. It's still, we're down 26 pips on the day. It's currently sitting at 108.55. We're getting some push from GBP. Okay, we're getting some push. Getting a little bit of push. USD CAD is back up. It was down for a minute. It looks like GBP is the only foreign pair that wants to give us anything today. Yeah, this is the only pair that wants to give us any kind of hope. We are looking at GBP 15-minute chart. We got 8 minutes and 8 seconds left to go. And we're pushing. We're pushing 126.78. We're pushing. We're pushing. Our take profit is 126.97. It's taking a while. It's taking us a little while. But we are trying to make it happen. We are trying to make it happen. Let's go. It is struggling. It is struggling to get up there. But oh my goodness, we gotta put some music on, guys. We gotta put some music on. While we're waiting here, while we're waiting in this trade. Alright, there goes the push. 126.80 is where we're currently sitting at. Getting there. We are getting there. Alright. Let's go. 126.80 again. 126.81. Let's keep pushing. 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 Pause. Keep pushing the price. Price keep pushing. I don't want to push the buzzer. I'm not going to push the buzzer on that. Four minutes and 48 seconds left to go in this 15-minute candle. All right, guys, I will be right back. All right, I'll be right back. Gonna pour some more fruit punch in my red cup. right, guys, so we are back. 126.83 is what we are currently holding at, and we're trying desperately to get above 126.85. All right, it is 11:19 in the morning on the East Coast. $126.85 is the level that we are struggling trying to get up there. I might just close this trade because we're near the end of the stream, man. Hold it for a couple of more minutes here, and of course the candle goes back bearish. Alright guys, so I closed the trade because we are nearing the end of the stream and I don't want to hold the trade anymore. So just to recap, $1,445, that's a 30 pip trade there. Almost $1,500 on the day, and you can see it. Let's get a closer view of what just transpired here, and there you go. Currently challenge account is sitting at 109,227. All right, so we got $800 more to go before we pass this challenge. All right, which is cool. Which is cool with me. And this trade might continue to go up for the rest of the day. It might do that. It might continue to go up, but it's whatever. At a certain point, you got to be like, man, listen, I don't need to be that greedy. Man. I couldn't get an $800 trade tomorrow, or Monday or Tuesday. It doesn't, trades will always be there, and that's an easy trade to get. The next trade we get in, we don't have to wait as long as this. Jeez. Could not get it going. It is still struggling to get above 126.85. We're at 126.83. We're just gonna call it until 9:30. I mean 11:30 East Coast time, 9:30 my time. All right, and it's pushing up, of course. So the target level was actually 126.97. All right, but once again, I didn't want to hold it that long. That I would be here for the rest of the goddamn afternoon, and I got stuff to do. I got some more videos I want to drop for you guys, some educational content. I also want to take a goddamn nap, because I've been up since London session. Oh, and there we go. There goes the push. But like I said, man, we got enough for the day. We can get we can get not even for $800. We're like $700. We're $700 away from passing this challenge, man. Or whatever. I'll tell you what about these prop firm challenges though. The last trade before you pass it is the most stressful trade ever. Oh my God. It is like the worst thing ever, man. You trying to wait for this last $10 or something, and it's fooling around between price and bouncing back and forth, and you're like, oh my God, come on, man, hurry up and hit my level. And it takes all day, man, but it ended up hitting your level, and you're like, yes. All right, guys, I am done streaming for today. We have been on for 4 hours. 4 hours. All right, this was a full streaming day, and we were able to get a profitable trade out of it today, live on camera so you can see it. And that is, we like that. So everybody that's stopped by to view the stream today, I want to thank you. And if you were watching on the replay, I want to thank you too for hanging out with us and watching the replay. Please, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave it in the comment section below if you are watching on Facebook or YouTube. Okay, and if you are watching right now, or if you are watching on the replay, I need you to do me one favor. I need you to hit the like button on the video, and I need you to subscribe to the page. Subscribe to the goddamn page. Push the goddamn button. Push the goddamn button. And that is it for me for today, guys. And I am out of here. Peace. Anytime now. Anytime now.